Welcome back to our SQL tutorial series. Today, we're tackling question 50, Analyze Organization Hierarchy. This problem is all about understanding reporting structures, calculating team sizes, and managing salary budgets within an organization. We're given an employees table with the following columns. Employee ID, the primary key. Their name, manager ID, salary, and the department ID they belong to. In this setup, the president of the company has a null manager ID. Everyone else reports either directly or indirectly to a manager. Our goal is to analyze the organizational hierarchy and answer 3 questions. 1. Hierarchy levels. Determine each employee's level in the company. The president is level 1, their direct reports are level 2, and so on. 2. Team size. For each manager, count the total number of employees reporting under them, both direct and indirect. 3. Salary budget. For each manager, calculate the total salary budget they control. That includes their own salary plus the salaries of all their team members, at every level. The expected output looks like this. This table shows each employee's position in the hierarchy, their team size, and the budget they manage. To solve this, we'll use 2 recursive common table expressions in SQL Server. Let's break it down step by step. The first step is to build hierarchy levels. We need to assign a hierarchy level to each employee. We'll use a recursive CTE called getLevel. Level 1 is the president, who has no manager or manager ID is null. Level 2 is direct reports of the president. Level 3 is direct reports of level 2 employees. And so on. A recursive CTE has 2 main parts. Anchor member and recursive member. Anchor member finds the starting point of the hierarchy. Here, that's the president, Stephen King, with employee ID equals 100 and level equals 1. Recursive member looks at each employee. If their manager ID matches some employee already in getLevel, then bring that employee into the results set. Their level is their manager's level plus 1. Let's see how SQL executes it iteration by iteration. The anchor member stands for iteration 1, which will retrieve the information of Stephen King, and his employee ID equals 100. Iteration 2 of recursive member is applied to Stephen King. Find all employees with manager ID equals 100. Iteration 3 will keep going. The recursion continues until there are no more employees whose manager ID matches an employee ID already in the set. The recursion automatically assigns correct levels by repeatedly adding +1 to the manager's level. Step 2. Build team memberships. Next, we need to figure out each manager's entire team, including indirect reports. We'll build another recursive CTE called team size. The anchor member puts every employee as their own manager. The recursion repeatedly finds subordinates of current members and adds them under the original manager. The final result is a complete mapping of every manager to all their direct and indirect reports, which is the foundation for computing team size and salary budgets. In the main query, we join the 2 recursive CTEs to retrieve the columns we need and use aggregate functions to calculate team size and budget. Count -1 means total employee number of the team except the manager, which is the team's size. Sum T.salary, total budget of all members. Make sure to use the salary of the second recursive CTE, which means the salary of a member. Salary of the first recursive CTE is the salary of a manager, and cannot be used for calculation of total budget in a team. Execute the query and this gives us the hierarchy level, the size of each manager's team, and the total budget they oversee. So with just a couple of recursive CTEs, we've solved a pretty complex organizational analysis problem. We now know each employee's place in the hierarchy, how many people they manage, and the salary budget they control. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, and share this channel. Thank you.